Hello and welcome. Before we begin, let me ask you one simple question. Have you ever understood English perfectly in your mind, but when you try to speak, the words just don't come out? You know the grammar. You know the vocabulary, but when it's time to speak, you freeze. If that sounds like you, then this lesson is exactly for you. Today, you are not just watching a video. Today, you are starting a journey to speak English confidently, naturally, and without fear. This is lesson 1 of our spoken English course, created for learners from all around the world. No matter where you are from, no matter your age, and no matter your current level, you are welcome here. Now, let me tell you something very important. You do not need perfect grammar to speak good English. You do not need a strong accent, and you do not need to be afraid of making mistakes. English is not about perfection. English is about communication, and that is exactly what we are going to focus on in this course. So relax, take a deep breath, and let's begin. In this first lesson, we are going to cover 4 very important things. Number 1, how to think about English correctly. Number 2, why most people fail to speak English. Number 3, the correct way to start speaking from day 1. And number 4, your first spoken English practice. Let's start with mindset. The biggest problem with English learners is not vocabulary. It is not grammar. It is fear. Fear of making mistakes. Fear of being judged. Fear of sounding not good enough. Let me be very clear. Making mistakes is not a problem. Making mistakes is progress. Every fluent English speaker you admire today made thousands of mistakes in the past. They didn't wait until they were perfect. They spoke first and improved later. So from today onwards, promise yourself one thing. You will not be afraid to speak. You will speak even if it is not perfect. You will speak even if you make mistakes, because mistakes are teachers. Silence is the real enemy. Now let's talk about why most people study English for years, but still cannot speak. But speaking English is not a written exam. It is a skill like driving, swimming, or playing a sport. You cannot learn swimming by reading a book. You must enter the water. In the same way, you cannot learn speaking by only studying grammar. You must speak. That is why this course is different. In TS Cowords, we focus on simple sentences, real-life usage, clear pronunciation, and daily speaking practice. We do not focus on complicated grammar or confusing rules. We focus on simple English, useful English, and spoken English. Now, let me explain something very important. You must stop translating. If you think in your own language and then translate to English, you will always speak slowly. Fluent speakers do not translate. They think in English, and the good news is, you can learn this skill. But it starts with simple thoughts, not big sentences, not difficult ideas. Simple thoughts. For example, instead of thinking, I am going to the market because I need to buy some vegetables, start with short sentences. I am going out. I need vegetables. I am going to the market. Short sentences create clear sentences. This is how real spoken English works. Now let's begin your first real English lesson. We will start with the most important part of speaking any language. Introducing yourself. Every conversation begins with this, so listen carefully. I will say a sentence, then you repeat it after me loudly, clearly, and confidently. Even if you are alone, your mouth must move. Your voice must come out. Ready? Let's begin. My name is. Repeat after me. My name is. Good. Now, add your name. My name is John. My name is Maria. My name is Ahmed. Excellent. Next sentence. I am from. Repeat. I am from. Now add your country or city. I am from India. I am from Brazil. I am from Japan. Very good. Next. I am learning English. Repeat. I am learning English. Now say it with confidence. I am learning English. Perfect. Now, let's connect these sentences. Listen carefully. My name is John. I am from India. I am learning English. Now you try. Pause the video if you need to. Say it again. And again. This is how fluency is built. Now, let's learn some very common everyday sentences. Sentence number 1. How are you? Repeat. How are you? Good. Now possible answers. I am fine. I am good. I am doing well. Repeat each one. Now listen to a full mini conversation. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. Simple, natural, and correct next. Sentence. Nice to meet you. Repeat. Nice to meet you. This sentence is very powerful. You use it when you meet someone for the first time. Example. Hello, my name is Anna. Nice to meet you. Now let me teach you one very important rule. Think in phrases, not words. Instead of learning good and morning separately, learn them as one phrase. Good morning. This makes speaking faster and easier. Now, if this lesson helped you, and if you want to speak English confidently, then please subscribe to this channel. New lessons are coming. Better speaking is coming. Confidence is coming. Subscribe now and start speaking English the right way. I also want to hear from you. Introduce yourself in the comments below. Tell me your name and where you are from. I will read every comment. Thank you for watching. I'm so proud of you for taking this first step. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.